Hi, let us review how we can convert editable grid control. You can see it on the frame, on the selection, uh, into a modern Power Apps control. You can see it on a grid tab. So here you can see we have much more modern view, and what is much more important, we have number of objects related, so it's much more useful for end users. So let's go into customization. First of all, we switch to form editing, but this change cannot be done in a modern editor yet. So what we need to do, we click on the menu and select switch to a classic. Here we go, switch to classic, and system will open classic interface in a new tab. Now we have legacy view of our form, and we need to find our tab. This one, it is editable grid. That's okay. We found it. Now what we need to do, we need to select our editable grid and click on change properties. Here we go. Go to change properties. Now we go to controls, and from here we can remove editable grid and add a new control. Add control, and here in the list we need to find Power Apps Grid Control. There you go. Power Apps Grid Control. We selected this and press Add. We need to make it default for web, phone, and tablet, and can customize some properties. So here below we find some properties. So for example, we can enable editing. Let's set yes. Enable filtering. To enable bottom bar, you need to select this. Enable jump bar will control this property. Let's go back. Set it yes. We can also enable pagination and configure other properties we need. Status column, enable option set color. Go. Yes. Okay. We can also show data type icons, so a lot of properties here. I would recommend you to explore some of them. Press OK. Perfect. Now you see it says, well, new editable grid. Now we need to save changes we made. And of course, publish. Publishing customization. Oh, save and close. Go back to our form. Go back. And from the solution also publishing all customization. It will take some time. Okay, all customization succeeded, and now we can refresh our permit management application. So home, go to permits, press F5, and open permit form. Now let's go to editable grid tab. And here you go, you see, instead of old boring grid, we see modern, fancy, and what is much more interesting, we can edit something directly in field. So just very, very nice. There we go. You see, all the changes made. Mm, Save it. Tab. Yeah, go to another page. Yeah, everything here is in place. Now, let us go back to objects and try to open this form in a modern view. We go to tables, permit, forms, and select my main form. Mhm. I go to editable grid tab, and let's see. Okay, it says, well, it's like new editable grid. It doesn't seem to be mm, available in a drop-down list of components. I hope Microsoft will fix it quite soon. So as far as you see, mm, settings here quite limited. So as of now, as at end of May 2023, you have to make all the changes in Classic Editor. Of course, in case you want to activate new Power Apps Grid control.